so there's quick connect hoses on it, so you can use the propane from the actual RV or use it from a tank if you'd like to. Let me show you how to use it from the RV. The very last compartment down below, we have a quick connect. There's a valve switch here, but the quick connect will go there. You will take the short end of the hose, push it in. If you find that it won't go in, it's because the gas is turned on. Turn the gas on, move that to the back, and you can close this door. We have a three-way valve here, so you can actually connect multiple things from here. So you can notice we have the on or the off. If it's an off, you can easily connect and disconnect. If it's on, you cannot connect to it. So taking the hose that's supplied, we have two 15-feet hoses that will give you the ability to connect wherever you need to be. Same thing, we have a quick connect here, plug it in, turn it on. To help preserve the Blackstone, we have a silicone cover. Before you start cooking, make sure you remove that, set it aside, and it's ready to go. Turn the gas on. Give it about 3 seconds to fill up. Activate it. It's now up and running. Within 5 minutes, it will hit about 400 to 500 degrees, ready for you to cook. Make sure when you're done cooking, you clean the grill cover, you make sure everything's done, and you re-season it. Some quick tips on seasoning. You can use regular vegetable oil on it, use a paper towel, lightly spread out the oil once you're done cleaning it. After everything is completely cooled, and only after it's cooled off, you put the silicone cover back on. Make sure it's not hot. Place it on, secure. If you're leaving it out while you're at a campsite,